Hey you guys, it's your girl Zizzy Norway and I am here with another tongue cleaning video. Let's get this thing on the road. So, wait. Why don't I see any of my light? Hold on, y'all, I don't like this. Hold on. Look, let me adjust. Maybe let's bring us down just. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Yeah, I should have done that in the beginning, but y'all know me by now. You like my nails? I got my nails done. I felt like getting this color for the fall, and I swear to you, like I was dreaming about getting my nails done. I wanted them longer, but then I changed my mind at the last second. I got them short, but I was dreaming about this color. So I said, if I'm dreaming about it, let me just go ahead and get it because maybe it's like good luck or something. And I swear to you, since I've gotten this color, I'm noticing everybody has this fingernail color. Aha! Baby, my dreams got me on trend, honey. So, anyhow, let's get popping, y'all. Let's get this thing going. Y'all know I've been meaning to give y'all a video for days, but it's... I said the same thing, Donna. Already, look, the door's coming open. Here comes my daughter right now. Anyways, so... Hold the time. My teeth was nasty. I haven't brushed my teeth since like day before yesterday because I was wanting to do a video yesterday for y'all and I never got to do it. And then as you know, it's time for me to go to work and I work overnight. So came home today. Hold on. Girl bringing me candy. So I got home at 7 o'clock this morning. Got home early this morning. Went to sleep. Woke up. Ran a few errands. Not really. I went one place. I went to one place. Came back. Both my husband went to work. Can y'all understand me? Look, I left. I came back. My husband went to work. Both girls were awake. They've been awake this whole time. My husband left like 2 hours ago. No, 2.5 hours ago. I'm just now getting the baby to sleep. And my big girl, I think she's settling down. But she's gonna keep coming here. And she's evil. If I shut this door all the way, which I'm gonna shut it. Let's see. She will go and mess up the entire house. Like, she'll go pull crayons out of God's nowhere and write on the wall. Oh, how has you guys' week been? I hate when I spit on my clothes. Especially when it's something black. Let me get this off. So I don't share my videos with my friends or family because I really want everything to be organic. I want all of my followers to be like organic. Like I don't really promote my page. I'm about to start though. but to none of my friends' family, because I don't want anybody to say they had in on any of my success or whatever. Yeah, I'm claiming it. I'm claiming it. My success. Yes. They don't have nothing to do with my 3.5 million followers, okay? Subscribers. Anyways, so but one of my cousins, I told her about my channel. She's been knowing about my channel from the beginning. I know I'm a tongue-tied person. Anyways, and she's the one I was telling y'all about her video that went like basically viral. Just like that, off of one video, this girl got like thousands of subscribers. And like hundreds, like almost like 1 million views on her video. So anyways, she said, I'm gonna subscribe to your channel. So I gave her the information. She subscribed to my channel, and then she called me and said, ew, I almost threw up. That is hilarious. I take it as a compliment. Thank you. When she had commented, I was laughing. I was looking at my phone. I got a notification. She had commented "ew" on my video. You can say ew. Just watch it to the end, girl. she has a weak stomach though. She's like, I can't watch this. Oh, that's so funny. People think I care. Whether you love it or you hate what I do, watch it. Watch it all the way to the end. Watch the video all the way to the end to make sure you're disgusted, okay? And then I want you to share it to a friend and tell them to share it to 10 friends to see whether or not they're disgusted as well. That's all I be wanting. And subscribe, okay? And then hit that little bell notification so that when the next video come out, you can make sure. Huh? Oh, okay. Y'all understand. Listen, y'all don't have to keep my videos a secret. Look, baby, no. Everybody's welcome. Come on. I will never stop. You think I will stop? Are y'all worried that I will stop if people start criticizing me? No, I won't. Shh. Come on. I need 10,000 criticizers. Can I get 10,000 criticizers by the end of the week? Just make sure you watch the video to the end. Oh, gosh. I know I'm tired of being y'all little secret, though. That's what I do know. I don't feel if you guys are sharing our videos. And y'all kind of chastised me when I uploaded a different video being funny last week. Y'all didn't like that video. My banana challenge. Y'all gonna get what I give. Y'all know I'm not consistent. Y'all know I'm not gonna sit here and post videos every single week all the time. It's not that I don't want to be, it's hard, you know? So sometimes I just don't want to leave my channel blank. I'm like, let me post something. And then it was funny. And then even videos like that, it brings other people in to my channel that maybe were looking for that content. They might subscribe and say, oh wow, you got other videos and it kind of grows and I like it. But they never would have found me unless they were looking at the banana challenge. See? So be open-minded. I have to do things to try to pull more people in. I love you little 400 something people, but I want to expand. I really do. See, my daughter keeps coming in here. I don't know if I'll be able to give y'all a long video today. And I want to take a shower. I ain't taken a shower yet. I want one so bad. What are you doing? Stop flushing the toilet, girl. She's not, the toilet is down. Uh-oh. Did I tell y'all I went back to work last week? I think I did. I went back to work last week, starting as of last Sunday. Y'all, I had to go get some money because my husband and his family back in West Africa, they don't understand what I ain't working means. They still be calling, trying to borrow money, borrow that we will never ever see again in life. They ain't borrowing. And I get mad at him for giving away money that I feel that he shouldn't give. Because technically, at this point, you're not giving it as me. Let's do the math. If we do the math on... Oh, let me stop. But seriously, let's do the math on how much money you make, how much money these bills are. Sir, I'm going into my savings account to send money to your family. That's a problem. Let me go to work. But I shouldn't look at it as that. Just the money that he's sending to him. But that's how I look at things. The money you're sending out of my house is money that cannot go towards bills, which means I have to go into my money to pay that bill, which means I sent that money. That's how I look at it. Selfish, I don't care. Here. Uh-oh. But yeah. So anyways, not to harp on that, but that's why I went back to work, y'all, because I need my coin. I need my money, okay? I need my money. Once my savings account start going, it's time for me to go because I'll be a totally different person. I don't want to be a different person. Let me go to work and get this money. This money. I don't like being broke. No, sir. My husband did want me to go back to work until like January, but he should be happy that he has a woman that will get up and go to work instead of making him go get a second job. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, but I only work 3 days a week, so it's cool. It's cool. Just some long hours. Anyway, this thing is glowing too much. I can't really see. Let's see. There it goes. Y'all can see better now, huh? Why am I light? I'm trying. I can't see in my mouth today, y'all. What is up? What is up? Let's see. Mouth looks good, y'all. Okay, so that's that. Teeth clean, tongue clean, everything clean. I think I have a dental appointment tomorrow because I want to go get this missing tooth taken care of. I'm going to get a dental implant. Yes, I'm going to restore my smile. I sure am. I don't want to be walking around here with missing teeth. Y'all, my husband trifling, okay? He's trying to tell me don't get this fixed. And then he's going to go off and get braces. Oh, you want to have your teeth fixed, but you want me to walk around with a tooth missing? So, yeah. I'm going to go get my teeth fixed, and it's going to just be, I ain't got it from there, okay? Anybody that's trying to borrow money, I'm sorry. We don't have it because it's right here. I'm just kidding. Because I have my own money, but I'm going to be mean. No, actually, no, we don't have it because I'm going to spend my money on my teeth. So his money has to go to the bills. So yeah, we ain't got it. Let's see if he understands that principle. My husband, he don't think like that. His mind thinks, oh, she's spending money on herself. This is the perfect time for me to ask her to send money to my family. That's not how my mind works. I feel it's the opposite. You better catch me when I'm being frugal with myself because I'm cheap with myself a lot. I don't spend money. That's the time to ask. He waits until I'm paying bills or doing something for myself and then says, oh, by the way, send some money. Watch. Y'all, watch when I come back. It's going to happen again. I'm going to tell y'all. Next time he does it, I'm going to tell you. And I'm going to say no. So, anyways. I don't care, y'all. There's more to this story. But anyways, yeah, so mouth is clean. I need to go take a shower because I got to run off and go get my kids from school pretty soon. I'd love to take a nap. I would love to take a nap. It's 2 something right now. And I got to turn right back around